Let's say you just made a bold new logo that perfectly matches your brand. You're hyped about it, and now you want to drop it on a shirt for your next hustle. Maybe a new digital product, maybe a fitness line, whatever you got cooking. But then you start thinking, maybe I need a version with a more minimum style. Then you want one that pops more for a dark shirt, and then another with a grunge vibe for streetwear. Next thing you know, you're creating your logo 5 different ways just to make it work across a few designs. That's the kind of thing that eats up your time fast, especially when your mind's already 3 hustles ahead. You've got the vision, but redoing every single version from scratch? Nah, no, no, no. I got the solution for that. But first, I'm Cece. This is Inside Your Hustle. Now let's get creative and make some money. It's called Kittl Flows. I can take my original logo and have it generate multiple fresh variations, different layouts, different styles, all still true to my brand. Whether I need a minimal version, a bold one for dark shirts, or something that fits a whole new hustle, it handles it fast. No starting from scratch, no overthinking, just remix, refine, and keep it moving. Let me show you how I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna take my logo and remix it for my customers, print it through Printify, and then post it in my store. Let's get it. Okay, so I'm on the Kittl homepage. We're going to check out Kittl Flows POD. All right, so we're going to start with that. We're going to design some t-shirts. All right, I'm going to show you t-shirt design builder template, how to do it with your own logo. All right, so I'm going to upload my logo and I'm going to put it in the box right there with this input, and I have to like resize it so it can fit nicely inside the box. Okay, so you see, transform the size to the size that you need. And if you notice, if you look carefully, you'll see arrows pointing to the smartboard, right? So I'm going to start using them. Look at the first one I'm going to use. Okay, I'm going to turn my logo and look what it just, oh my goodness. It just created my logo with wildflowers, vines, and subtle butterflies. Let's check it out. Look how gorgeous. Look how gorgeous it is. I love how that logo turned out. Now that's my logo. You see how it originally looked? Look how they turned it into, look at the 70s, the retro 70s inspired. Oh my goodness. I'm loving this. Inside your hustle. Look at this trail signs. Okay, I like that retro. Look like you're camping. Look like the Boy Scouts type of patch there. Okay, I used to be a Cub Scout member, so a Cub Scout leader. So I really appreciate that. I like the whole peace and love also. Wow, look at the hand inside your hustle. Handwritten freeform lettering. That's pretty cool to have that on a shirt. And look at that one. Blooming flowers surrounded by subtle stars and cosmic dust. I love how it's like a little sprinkle. They just turned my logo so many different ways. It's look how it looks on a shirt. Fabulous. Absolutely I'm selling that shirt in my store. That's the shirt I'm going to be selling. I might actually do all of them, but that's going to be the first one. I'm loving that shirt. Wow. I love how it looks. It's like so summery, so soft, like linen. You could rock that with some linen pants or shorts. Look how all of these are turned into shirts. They do pretty much everything for you. And I love the mock-up. You could put that on your store. You could put that in your store. Put the mock-up on your Instagram page. Look at this. I'm loving this. Absolutely fantastic. I never thought of my logo look in so many different ways. Like how my name could be put inside your house so many different ways. That is so cool. I can see this on tote bags, shirts, everything. and it did it for me. I could have never thought of this. That smart board just, it's really smart. It created so many different ways I can present my logo, my brand. It's not one dimensional, so many different ways. That was fantastic. Wow, look at that shirt, the vintage wash t-shirt. I love the natural colors like that taupe. I love that with the indigo cream, that bluish color with the little stars. I love that. That's going to be my second shirt I'm going to put into the store. So now you see what you can create. You see what you can make. You can turn this into shirts, handbags. You could turn this into a tote bag. Take that same logo they created for you and put it on a tote bag. So I'm going to start with a t-shirt. Okay, so I like the one with the wildflowers, vines, and the little subtle butterflies. That's going to be a t-shirt. I'm crazy about it. Okay, let's go to Printify and let's put this on a t-shirt. Okay, look at this. Look at this shirt. First of all, I like this cut of the t-shirt. And now I'm just sizing the logo. Okay, I want it down a little lower. Okay, so now look at the colors. Look at the beautiful colors you could choose from. And I see a few colors I want to pick. Okay, here we go. I like the fit. I like this type of fit. Look at this silver. Cardinal. That's the one I think I'm going to purchase myself. Soft cream. Okay. You have the army. Oh, another lovely color. And berry. Oh my goodness. That is going to look fabulous in my store. Okay. Look at this already in the store. Inside Your Hustle Women's Favorite Tee. I'm selling for $20. That's very reasonable. It's custom. It has my logo on it. This is fabulous. You can put your logos, sell your brand, put it on shirts, put it on baseball caps, sell your brand. Come on now. Let people know who you are. All right, look at this. That's the color I'm actually going to purchase. I'm buying that today. I am buying that cardinal color today. I love that color. Oh my goodness, I'm going to rock that. That is fabulous. What I'm trying to tell you now, you see what Kittl Flows has done with my logo. It was amazing, right? It was amazing. I could not think of doing that with my logo. I'm used to my logo being one way. I never thought of adding butterflies and flowers and all that, like softening it up for different occasions. It still has the foundation of my logo. It has my logo. It has like money, it has this, the laptop, the Inside Your Hustle, the bag, the money bag. But it just softens it up. It gave it a different look. Even the words Inside Your Hustle. You see how it went retro, 70s? It gave it a different vibe. I can put it on shirts. I can see that on a jean jacket. I'm trying to tell you, Kittl Flows can turn your logo or your brand or whatever you're trying to change up for different looks and sell it. You can sell this, okay? You can change your ideas instead of you trying to recreate it each time. You know how time consuming that could be? Have your logo or your brand, whatever you're trying to do, give it to Kittl Flows. Let it recreate different looks. You might only want one or two looks. You might want all 6, 7 looks. But it can give you a different idea with that one look you have and show it 6 different ways. It will remix it for you several times. I never thought of my brand or my logo looking like that. And I'm excited because it's going to be everywhere. Be ready to see my logo on anything and everything. I love the remix of Inside Your Hustle. Kittl Flows, you are doing the darn thing. If you like what I made using Kittl Flows, you should definitely try it out for yourself. It's free to use. Just hit the link in the description and start creating. Thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed this info, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, share, hit that notification bell so that you can learn more about other side hustles that you can turn into your main hustle. Now let me know in the comments down below if you'll try hustling with Kittl. And remember, you are amazing. Bye-bye.